seem very sick right now. What do you think? Yeah? What else? Do you want Mr. Seahorse? What else about your day? Yeah? You want to get ready for bed? That sound good? Do you want to eat your feet? Whatever you want, Bug. Yeah, okay. You can do that. Look at your belly. Want some PJs on? Okay, we'll do that. Say good night. Good night, Colton. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. Or maybe we won't go to bed. Just want to kick? We can do that too. Look at that big belly. All right. Bye, Colton.